In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom project in Gohighlevel 2026. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or workspace where you want this custom project to live. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your settings and tools. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage the structure and configuration of your account. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and click on Objects. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you create and manage custom objects, which are useful when you want to track information beyond the default records already built into the platform. Once you're inside the Objects section, go to the top right corner and click Add Custom Object. This opens the custom object creation process. At this point, Gohighlevel will prompt you to create your custom object, and you'll be asked how you want to begin. You can choose whether you want to start from scratch or use a template. If you already know exactly how you want your custom project to be set up, starting from scratch gives you full control. In this example, choose Start from Scratch and then click. Continue to move forward. Now you'll begin filling in the key details for your custom object. First, enter the custom object name in singular form. This is the label for one individual record. Then enter the plural version of that name, which will be used when Gohighlevel refers to multiple records of that object. Next, set the primary display field name. This is an important field because it acts as the main label for each record, making it easier to identify items at a glance later. After that, choose the field type for that primary display field. Pick the option that best matches the kind of data you want this field to hold. You'll also have the option to change the icon for the custom object. You can do this now if you want to make it visually easier to recognize, or you can leave it for later and update it after the object is created. Then add a custom object description. This is helpful for keeping things organized, especially if multiple people use the account and need to understand the purpose of this object quickly. Once everything looks right, click Create Custom Object. That's it. Your custom project will now be added to Gohighlevel, and you can continue customizing it further based on how you want to use it in your workflow.